Infor Time Track absence codes. We use this form to define absence codes throughout the time track system. These are used to account for scheduled but unclocked time. We can specify whether these hours are to be paid, count towards overtime thresholds, post to the ERP system, should be paid a premium, and whether usage is tracked or not. In order to access the absence form, select the Absences icon from the Administrator homepage. We should enter the code and description of the absence, whether it is active, and whether or not the absence should be paid. We select one of the 6 absence types, which are generic, sick, vacation, holiday, instant, and no call, no show, or NCNS. The Overtime Eligible button designates whether or not absence hours will count towards the overtime threshold. The approval required is a parameter that predates the absence request system and the user experience of the modern version of Time Track. If approval required is set to yes when the employee creates the absence record, it will appear in the hours summary with an exception until a supervisor authorizes the record. Absence hours may be configured to use a premium method. These are no premium, shift premium, or premium code. Default setting is no premium, in which case the hours will not garner a premium regardless of the shift they are used in. If we select shift premium, with this setting any absence hours will incur the shift premium for those hours. If we select premium code, the premium code field will activate and all hours will incur the entered premium rate. We set post to ERP if we want to post the absence hours to ERP, specifying the ERP task code to be used. To associate absence hours with an absence code in payroll, enter the desired absence code in the payroll code field. The absence code may be configured for usage tracking by setting the track field to yes. Doing so allows the code to be defined in time-off groups with the annual allowed balances. We can also select carry forward to result in all unused available hours being carried forward into the next tracking year. For an instant or NCNS absence type, the attendance point system configuration fields display. The instant absence type allows definition of a full and partial instant. We can define the full instant and partial instant value in the appropriate fields. Partial instants are not available for NCNS absence types. The continuous request checkbox defines how multiple day instant and NCNS absences will be treated. More information on all of this can be found in the more detailed absence code video that is also available.